Hi, I am Vasudha, a US tax associate in one of the big four, having 4 years of experience. I'm always keen learning new skills to stay ahead in my career. I came across these courses through Facebook. The reviews and the detailed description of the course catch my attention as it is aligned perfectly with my career goals. I was looking a program that offered in-depth practical knowledge combined with real-world situations. The promise of mastering these courses and the opportunity to enhance my efficiency at work conveyed me to invest in these courses. I'm currently progressing through the course and I'm impressed with the engaging content and ease of understanding. I truly appreciate the course creators for making such a valuable resource available. The interactive models, expert support, and practical examples made it an outstanding learning experience. I highly recommend to everyone aiming to upgrade their skills and excel in their career. Thank you so much. Be10x.